Now market stocks.
What's up, guys? So I know if you're sitting in AMC right now, you're probably thinking, wow, I'm down 17.44%. This is really bad. It hasn't been down really this much in a long time, and it is a little scary. So I want to talk about this. Okay, so I don't think the problem really has to do with AMC. I think it's just everything that's going on in the market right now. You know, Dwac is down 6%. Some of these other stocks are down a lot more. Phun stock is down 2.06%. There's actually just a lot of negative stuff that's going on in the stock market right now. We have Omicron. We also have talks of potential tapers. So the Fed might be raising interest rates, and that's scaring the market off. We have the Jerome Powell coming out and talk about how inflation isn't transitory. We have Biden signing the infrastructure bill in the middle of all this stuff. So a lot of this stuff is just scaring the market. And the scariest thing is that it's just all happening at once. You know, so a lot of these stocks that are a little bit on the riskier side, they're obviously going to be hit the hardest. Now, I am looking at it right now. We're at $20.02 on AMC. So if you take a look at the chart, you know, that's a pretty significant drop, and I do think that once this thing turns around, it's going to turn around rather significantly. I can see it probably ending up around the 30 mark and then slowly going up from there, assuming that more negative news doesn't come out. I mean, my theory is this, guys: you can't keep having negative news. Like, eventually something's going to turn around. So who knows? Like, only so many bad things can happen. And you know, I believe that AMC is still a good stock. You know, if you're down, if you got in on this high, you know, sorry, it might take a little while to go back up, but still $28. Everything's looking good. This is a good stock in my opinion, and I wouldn't worry about it. Let's move on to Dwac. So Dwac, $39.08, and I had made a video. I didn't think Dwac was going to go below $40. But of course, a million bad things happened, and here we are down 6% today. I still have a lot of faith in Dwac. I still think Dwac is a great company, and it's just, again, this is a little bit, it is a SPAC at the end of the day. It doesn't really have any intrinsic value. It's basically based off of what you believe the company is going to be worth. So that, in my opinion, that is making it slightly a riskier stock. But with that said, if it could hold strong, you know, along this line, assuming this bad news stops coming out, I think Dwac is going to go up again too. It's just really hard to predict anything, because who knows? Maybe tomorrow Joe Biden will come out and say he's taxing capital gains 100%. So it's very difficult. So we can just hope that you know, these politicians leave us alone and just let us make our money. We got Phun stock over here. Phun's not doing too well over here, but it's only down 2% on the day. And I believe in Phun. Phun is actually a really good company. They have good earnings. I think they're going to be in the positives earnings pretty soon. They're actually currently, their earnings per share is 0. But Phun is definitely a useful company. It's a great software company. So those are things that are going to become more and more useful as time goes on. And yeah, it's about all